Hey everyone, welcome back, where we simplify the world of AI and automation. Today, we're tackling a hot topic. Is AI taking our jobs, or is it actually creating new ones? Let's dive in, and the answer might surprise you. Let's be real, a lot of people are worried. From truck drivers to customer service reps, AI and automation are replacing certain roles. Machines don't get tired, they don't take lunch breaks, and that makes them super efficient for repetitive, rule-based tasks. But here's the twist. While AI is automating some jobs, it's also creating entirely new ones. Jobs like AI trainers, prompt engineers, data analysts, automation specialists, robot technicians. These didn't exist 10 years ago. This isn't the first time this has happened. Remember when electricity replaced manual labor? Or when the internet disrupted entire industries? At first, jobs do get displaced, but then new ones emerge. The key is reskilling and adapting. The future of work isn't man versus machine, it's man plus machine. AI handles the boring, repetitive stuff, while you handle the creative, emotional, and strategic parts. Here's the mindset shift. Don't fear AI. Learn to work with it. If you're in a field that's at risk, start upskilling now. Platforms like YouTube, Coursera, and even this channel are great places to start. So, is AI taking jobs? Yes, but it's also creating better, more interesting ones. And the people who thrive? They're the ones who adapt early. If you got value from this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's worried about the robot apocalypse. And let me know in the comments, what's one job you think AI can't replace?